Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. Today I want to talk about something that honestly changed my life in ways I didn't expect, and I wish I had started these things years earlier. These habits are simple, almost too simple, but they have a huge impact when you stick to them. So stay with me till the end because the third habit is the one nobody talks about, and it's the one that shifted my whole mindset. Let's begin. Habit 1, the 10-minute rule. This one is simple. Do an important task for just 10 minutes a day. Not an hour, not a perfect routine, just 10 minutes. Why? Because 10 minutes is small enough that your brain doesn't resist it. And once you start, you almost always do more without forcing yourself. Examples: 10 minutes of walking, 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of learning a skill, 10 minutes cleaning your room, 10 minutes journaling. The point is consistency, not intensity. This habit builds trust with yourself. It makes you feel like, okay, I actually show up for myself. And that confidence makes bigger changes easier later. Habit 2, the input audit. Everything you watch, listen to, and read shapes how you think and feel. This habit is about checking your mental diet. Ask yourself, is what I am consuming adding to my life or draining me? Simple examples: replace 20 minutes of scrolling with a podcast or audiobook. Follow fewer negative people online. Watch more educational content. Spend less time on drama, gossip, or pointless arguments. When you upgrade your inputs, your mindset becomes clearer, calmer, and more focused. You literally start thinking differently. Habit 3, daily check in. This one sounds small, but it's powerful. Spend 2 to 5 minutes a day checking it in with yourself. Just pause and ask: 1. What am I feeling today? 2. Why am I feeling this way? 3. What is one small thing to do to make today better? This habit helps you slow down, understand your emotions, and avoid letting stress pile up. It helps you make decisions that feel right for you, not decisions based on pressure, fear, or what others expect. So, dear friend, these three habits are tiny, but they change everything over time. I wish I started them sooner, and if you stick with them, they'll probably change your life too. Let me know which habit you want to try first, and I'll see you in the next video.